Welcome back, guys. Today we are playing Risk Rain 2 again. Um, this time we are gonna play as Commando. I know last time I was kind of talking a little shit on him, but I went back to play Commando a few times in order to prepare for this, and it's not as easy as I remembered. Maybe because I changed difficulty, but no. We're running pretty much the basics. We are running pretty much the basics of the character. The only thing that's different is the slide. I just like the slide more than the jump. Ooh. Yeah, I'll do it. Alright, so whenever we battle the boss, we're gonna have two of them now, rather than just the normal one. So hopefully that's gonna go good for us. Probably not, but all you can do is hope, right? Alright, now that we have Mr. Goo, we should be pretty good to go. Doesn't really matter what we get as long as they're good from now on. I don't know. This one I'm probably gonna try more towards speed and damage. Just because that's how Commando is. It's really all you need for him. It's just a bunch of mochas and damage outputs. My go-to is always gasoline, then the ukulele. But I am gonna try some new stuff. See how that goes. Ooh, you can already tell the difference in the fire rate. One of these. Then the next green that I get, I'm gonna get that, the seed. Forget its exact name, but yeah. You know what I'm talking about. Also, how do you guys feel about the different types of music from the last episode? I'm probably just gonna stick with one song this episode, but I don't know. I want your opinion on it. If you guys would rather want just one song repeated or multiple songs. Yeah, just let me know down in the comments. Get a healing drone. Oh, this guy thinks he can hide. to range. I have not seen the teleporter yet. I feel like usually whenever I play this one, it's always like in the middle down there. So I don't really know where it could be. And another mocha. And get some healing. Ah, there it is. I feel like I'm pretty set up for right now to at least battle them. So let's start this. Well, that was pretty simple. Get some health up in here. And there's the second one. Let's get that seed. It's like the best for Commando because you heal every time you damage something, which is just amazing. Get the lunar coin. Ha, 69, nice. I don't know why they keep on trying to attack my drone rather than me. Kinda weird, but... oh well. With Commando, I do feel like I am gonna be able to, beat the game, hopefully. But if not, I'm probably just gonna do what I did last time. But yeah. Ooh. No, don't go back. No. Okay. Get some more fire. Go down here. Oh, I missed one. Get some coins. I don't know, y'all can judge me for having the rune of choice, but I don't know, I just feel like it makes the game a little funner, just whenever you be able to pick your stuff, rather than just all relying on luck, because, I don't know, it's not that fun to me. But this is a lot funner, whenever you get to make very overpowered characters. It shouldn't be that overpowered, but I don't know. Do another one of these. Oh, there's another one. I mean, might as well, right? Ukulele. Oh no, that's the actual teleporter. Pop this, get that. Gamble. Gamble. Get the rusty key. Are there any more chests? Alright, let's go battle this thing. Mr. Goo. Okay, that one's gone. Oh no, I'm frozen. Oh, let's go. Is there a third one? Mr. Goo's dead. Oh no. Ah, let's go. Ooh, and I get 2 of these? What's it? And some Mega Balls. And Siphon. See what I mean whenever you can make characters completely overpowered. Ah, not this map. This map's just confusing more than anything. in my opinion. But most things are, so. See, this is what I mean. How are you supposed to get on whenever you don't even know where it is? What's this? Oh. God, I had the rusty key. I don't know, as much as I would love to explore and get more items, I don't think I am. Ooh, other than this one chest. Some pennies. Ah, not you. Let's go. What does this do? Oh. It's not that useful. I don't want to go in there yet. Oh, mango worm, dude. I don't know about you, but me and my homies don't mess with these lunar pods. They suck. They never give you something good. It's always like something that has a catch, like a monkey's paw. Dude. Get another one of these. Did I kill that thing? I don't know. I hope so, though. Do need to be getting more mochas, though, rather than whatever I'm getting. Mocha. Mocha. Ooh, what's back here? No! I fell. What will I ever do? Let's get another locust. Or leeching seed, my bad. Is that a flamer? It is. Mine now. Alright, there's the teleporter. Trying to combat. Now what is this? Get some more mocha. What was that? Sure. What is throwing doo-doo at us, dude? Freaking doo-doo mortars. Well, hello there. Ooh, avoid seed. Where is it? Way over there. Where's everything spawning? Eyeball of truth. Okay, I guess I'm up here now. Okay. Let's get down here. What? Dude, I did not see. Dude. Oh, come on. Alright, well, I guess that's today's video. I'm not going to be able to get to the end with Commando. I will try again, eventually. Might be next video. I don't really know. But, yep. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.